Hello, here is my PECHA video dealing with the Bone Global's um, theory and an illustration of these theories with the Dewak SA, which is a Colombian company that I'm gonna introduce later. Ovia and McDougall define a global firm as a firm that from its inception pursues a vision of becoming global and globalizes rapidly without any preceding long-term domestic or internationalization period. This type of firm appeared during the beginning of the 21st century with the appearance and development of internet, which helped much this company to reach a global market and reducing its global costs. The environment born global companies operate in is very typical. Indeed, they operate in international market to reach customers all over the world. The market is also based on an innovative strategy and highly competitive with aggressive competitors. The business model of both global companies is based on partnership. The firms are trying to make alliances to have access to capitals and knowledge in order to make their international phase faster and reach as much customer as they can. Now that I have defined the concept of born globals, I will try to illustrate it thanks to a company I chose, which is named Dewak. Dewak is a Colombian company, and I hope that it illustrates well this concept. Dewak was created back in 2008 by 5 associates in Colombia, near Medellin. This is a company which is basically specialized in support of chat live software and Kayako, which they bring customized solutions for their customers. The company is located in Rio Negro, just near Medellin in Colombia, for its free trade agreement and taxes facilities, helping them to reduce costs. The company as well as addresses in the United States and in Great Britain in order to attract and put credits on their company. Dewak SA faces competition from all over the world. The market they operate in has 4 other actors, which are named Olby, Aquadevelop, Modern Help, and Support Skins, which come from India, England, and United States. The marketing strategy of the company was leaning on the ability they had to make them known on forums. For support of the software logiciel Kayako, they made their names on the forum, helping customers really and getting a noun in the sector. The firm, since its creation, operated internationally, as we can see it on the graph. In year 2010, it was realizing 96% of its turnover outside of Colombia, its home country. Their customer basis is all over the world, and it started with a German company who contracted them, the Overseas Vote Foundation. They also have a long-term relationship with a giant of Chinese telecom entity. But is Dewak a real born global company? I guess we can answer yes, because since its beginning, it has realized much of its turnover outside of Colombia, its home country, and it relies on a market highly innovative and competitive, which reaches customers all over the world. The perspective for Dewak SA is to get certificates that would grant credit to the company and to the expertise they bring to customers, helping as well to the awareness. To conclude by Born Globals, I hope that you now know how these companies work, thanks to the example of Dewak SA, and I'd like to tell you that I think bond globals are the future of the business model worldwide because of the globalized world.